working hard, 9 to 5, 2 jobs to survive. She's my supermodel.
What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. It's Nicole. If you're new here, my name is Nicole. Thank you for checking out this video. Today's video, as you can see from the title, is a review of this TomCare cube organizer that I got from Amazon. I'm looking for ways to add additional storage to my home office. I have a lot of stuff I need to store, and I really wanted something that is organized but easy to access the stuff that I store, and something that looks nice too, something that's like aesthetically pleasing. So I'm going to show you guys the honest review. I am looking a little run down today, but like I say in my previous videos, don't judge me, I won't judge you. That is not what we do on my channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell, because for some reason YouTube be hating on certain YouTubers or small YouTubers and not like showing our content. So if you want to stay up to date with my content, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we're going to get into this review. Okay, so I wanted to show y'all real quick how the closet looks. So it's these doors that slides on either side. So one side already has shelving in it and the other side doesn't. So I bought this cube set, not measuring anything, but I wanted, so you could do different designs with it. So you'll see, if you go to the Amazon link, you can set it up in different ways. So you could easily manipulate the design because it's so flexible. But I wanted to do this 3x3 design, and I wanted it to fit right below this silver rail you see, because I wanted the lower half of the closet to have the shelving. And now I'm thinking about potentially getting another one to put on top, but we'll see. So it comes with the instructions. It comes with this little hammer, and it comes with the little clear pieces, the clear square pieces, and then the little pieces that are called connectors, that you like snap the pieces together with. But it's super, super easy. And these little squares that I'm holding, the clear squares, I think I got, mine's is white, but it looks clear. So if you're looking for, I'll double check and I'll let you guys know in the description. So make sure you pay attention to the description, because I can't remember if I got clear or white, but regardless, it came clear. So the little squares are very sturdy, very sturdy. So it's not like flimsy or anything. So this is really a great storage unit. Like, I'm glad I got it. It took me a minute to kind of just read through the directions just so I could know what I have to do. And it came with this little hammer, but I didn't use it at all. I also saw that on some Amazon comments that they didn't need the hammer. It's really easy to just snap in place. And y'all know I'm not that big, so I didn't have to use a lot of strength. And not a lot of manpower was needed for that. So very easy. You put the base down, however you want to design it. If you want 3 on the bottom, you use this little connector piece. Use it. Well, the bottom ones for the floor are like different types of pieces. So you'll see, let me see. You'll see that it's some pieces that you put on the bottom that's separate from what you use for the rest of the unit, and they kind of like help you raise it off of the ground, so your shelves are not sitting directly on the ground. The little raisers are lifting it up a little bit, so it's not directly on the floor, which is good. But it's very easy, very simple to put together. In total, this thing took me about 10 minutes to put together. I wasn't stressed out. Y'all know if y'all know familiar with my channel, I get stressed out easily. This did not stress me out at all. So I put the little pieces on the bottom, all around the edges, to raise it, and then I started to add the other additional pieces. So it's like a repetition. It's like a repetition. I guess I'm saying it right. So you repeat the same steps over and over is what I'm trying to say. So this is still the bottom layer. So I put it on the ones in the front, the ones in the back, and I just snapped it into place. And it's important to know that you want to listen for that snap sound so you know it's secure, because you can push it down and it may not be all the way secure. So listen for that snap sound. And this is how it looks. This is what I mean when I say it's raised at the bottom. And I just wanted to show y'all an up close view of how I snapped it in place. And like, if you look around the edges of the actual squares, there's this plastic. And it's really no clear instructions on which side you're supposed to use for what. But I just made sure it was cohesive across the board as to what side I you know, how I place the squares on. So I made sure that the folded side of the squares was facing inward and not outward. And I guess it doesn't matter if you have it in a storage unit, like in a closet like this, but if you have it somewhere, and if you have a different color, you may want to hide the folded over piece of the plastic. But this is how you do it. You connect it. It's very easy. Just listen out for the snap sound so you know it's locked in. You add the sides on. So they say to do the bottom layer, the flat part with the floor, the base, add the back, and then add the sides, and then you know, kind of repeat the process. But this is super, super sturdy, y'all. Like, I used to have like the plastic Walmart bins with the top in the closet, and it was just so inconvenient. You have to, if you're stacking them, you have to take one off and look through it to see if you can find what you need. But for this, you can easily access what you need if you know, stack them neatly on the shelves and just get as much shelves as you need. Don't overcrowd the shelves, obviously, but this is such a great solution. It's very cheap. This set was like $40, this box. And this is, I'm getting what, it's a 3x3, so I'm getting 9 shelves out of it. So it's a super, super easy, and it's cute, and it's like I said, really sturdy and easy to put together. So I'm just going to show you. And if you guys see my nails, look, like I said, don't judge me. I'm not judging y'all. My nails are chewed. But when I film my YouTube videos, 90% of the time, I'm just in the house working. Like, I'm not about to go out. I'm not about to beat my face all the time just for a YouTube video. I'm actually working. I'm doing DIY projects. So I don't always need to do that. There will be times where y'all will see me, like, you know, glammed up or just kind of put together a little bit more. But it's Sunday, and I'm just trying to, like, get certain things in order in the house, and I don't feel like I need to get super cute for that. But you will see I put the centerpieces on. So now I'm on the second level, and this is how it looks at the end. I had just enough space at the bottom of the closet to get this how I wanted it to look. Okay, so this is kind of where I'm at with storing this. I'm just stacking the different leggings that we offer at Glamourina in order. It's really easy to access. I hope you guys like this video. I hope it was helpful if you're looking into storage options, and I hope this review helps you decide if this is something that you want to use.